So in today's video, we're going to talk about the GoPro Hero 8 right here and show you what it looks like when you take it underwater. Before we begin, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified for future videos. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So I have the GoPro Hero 8 here in my hand, and I have been using this thing for a few months now and I love it. It's a great little action camera. It does some pretty incredible things, and one of the cool features about it is how you're able to take it underwater and get some pretty neat looking shots that you otherwise would not be able to get with like maybe an iPhone or a DSLR. So these action cameras here, they are very versatile and you can take them underwater certain depths and feet. So these action cameras are pretty versatile in what they can do. So today we're going to be talking about how you can take it underwater and give you some test footage of what that looks like. Now, one of the questions that I do get asked before we get started and I show you any kind of footage is, can you just take this GoPro and put it right into the water and capture footage that way? And the answer is yes. You don't have to have one of those protective housings to go around it. The way they designed this camera is, as long as you have all the doors closed and they're sealed properly, you can take it right into the water and start recording footage right away. Now, if you are somebody who maybe is a little paranoid or something, go ahead and buy one of those protective cases that you can put and close this thing in. I'll have a link to some of those in the description down below of different options that you can get for this. But you can take this right into the water. But there is a caveat there. And the caveat is, as long as you are taking this camera 33 feet or less, then you can use it underwater without any protective housing. But if you go any further than 33 feet, then you need to put it in a protective case. So I think for the majority of people that maybe are watching this video, if you're anything like myself, just catching some family moments, vacation moments, or just your average vacation and when you go in water and you want to record some footage, you should be fine. But if you are an avid, deep diving swimmer or looking to capture some footage of sharks or any of that marine life, then you're going to want to get a protective case for this thing. So that should answer a lot of your guys' questions that are searching GoPro underwater videos. So let's go ahead and dive into some of the footage and see what this thing can do underwater. Okay, so we have the new GoPro here, and now we're going to take it in water inside this pool and see what kind of footage that it takes when you take it deep diving in the water. Well, not really deep diving, but in a pool anyways.
Yeah.